my channel, it's Anais. For this 6th video, I am doing something very different from all my other fashion videos. And this video is a shoe haul, kindly sponsored by Jenn Ardor. And Jenn Ardor kindly reached out to me and sent me 4 beautiful pairs of shoes. I decided that it would be cool to just show you guys and try them out for you guys so you guys can see how it looks if you're interested, because I'm super excited. I have waited a very long time to film this video due to the fact that I was in Paris and the shoes were here, so now I'm finally here and the video is happening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it up a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more hauls and more fashion videos. Now, if you have noticed, by the way, I am in Miami. I came back home for the fall break because we have fall break, and I'm just so happy to be here. So stay tuned for all the vlogs coming at you. Anyway, let's just get right into this. The first shoes that I got, and I was super excited to get because I have been wanting shoes like that for a very long time, and since they became a trend, I was like, oh my god, I need to find some like that, but it's impossible because they're super expensive, and the most popular ones and the pretty ones are in Gucci or other stores that I cannot afford. So Jenn Ardor pulled through. I mean, this website has so many cool pairs of shoes for very affordable prices, and the shoes are super good quality. I tried them on today and I was super impressed, and it feels super comfortable inside. So that's a really good positive, and I'm really happy. So the first pairs of shoes are obviously the mule flats. I will insert the size that I got them in, and they're absolutely adorable. They're beautiful. I love the little gold bar in the middle and just how they are. I'm so excited to wear them. Honestly, these types of shoes, you can make such pretty outfits. It can be business casual or just for the fall time or the winter time, and it's perfectly great. And what a perfect time of the year to wear them. Honestly, I wore them today and I felt it feels really comfortable. In general, my feet is big and it's kind of hard to shoes that are my size and that fit well my feet, and I was kind of scared on that for these shoes, but I tried them on this morning and I was like, hallelujah, Jenn Ardor pulled through. Link down below all the shoes that I got, so if you guys are interested, go check out all the links that I put in the down bar. If you want to buy yourself a pair of shoes, we can win. So the next pair of shoe that I got, and also this one, it just got me. It's literally, if I was a shoe, I would be this shoe. These shoes are the Atheba ankle strap sandals, and they're absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And if I was a shoe, I'll literally be this. Extra and pink, literally. I tried them on this morning as well, and literally I was screaming at how great they fit my foot. And I'm so excited to wear them for a night out or just a cute day out or something like that. So beautiful. I love the heel. It's thick. It's perfect for me because I'm not a too thin heel, and I'm not really good in walking heels, so I like that it's thick. We have a thick sister. I love the color. They're original shoes. That's what stood out to me. Then the next pair of shoes, also kind of as the same as the mule, I got the loafers, which I was super excited about. So now it's the loafers, and I was super excited also for these because I can actually wear these to go to class or just to go out. They look super cute, with a cute outfit and just cute trousers, etc. They fit really well. I was really happy about it. I love classy shoes, just chic, elegant, still with the gold little thing in the middle, which I love. You should totally check them out. I'm really saying that out of heart, out of honesty. They're great, and they smell good. Am I the only one who smells shoes? Yeah, okay. The last pair of shoes that I got before we get into the try-on haul are these really cute, sexy mid-heel pump. I really like it, the shape of it. They fit as well, so I was like, hallelujah, Jenn Ardor. I'm excited to wear them for nights out or just events, etc. And they're not too high, so that's perfect for me. I can't wait to wear them for the holidays or stuff like that, and they're really cute. Just always in the classy theme. I love that. And now onto the try-on haul, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. guys enjoyed this video. I love all these shoes and I cannot wait to wear them and to take pictures in them. So stay tuned for all of that. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it up a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already so. Again, thank you so much Jenn Ardor for kindly sponsoring this video. It was so much fun and I'm so excited. I love the shoes. Thank you very much and I'll see you guys soon for another video next week. Bye!